Hey guys, today I'm going to do a bike check because I got some new parts. Start with the frame. It's the Fly Tierra V3 flat black 20.6 top tube. Start out at the front. I have Kink Lynx handlebars, Eclat scope grips. They're pretty soft and they grip pretty good. And Ocean Blue Odyssey par ends. Stem is the Primo Annihilator with blue Shadow Hollow bolts. Got those because they look cool, not really because I care about weight. Odyssey integrated headset, Odyssey Director forks. Front wheel has a Profile Mini front hub, a white Primo spokes, and a blue DK Orbit rim with the Odyssey Air Ross tire, which sucks. Don't buy it. Down in the middle, I have Redline Device cranks, premium slim pedals, and the Odyssey Burlington sprocket with a Shadow half-link chain, the Albies pivotal post, and a premium sperm saver seat. It's pretty soft, doesn't hurt when you clamp for bar spins. And the back wheel is a Profile Mini left-hand drive hub with blue and yellow Primo spokes and a blue DK Orbit rim. 9-tooth driver, and I have the Shadow little one pegs, but they have the slicker sleeves on them so that they slide better. And my bike weighs about 23 pounds, and yeah, that's my bike.